Kind of lightweight. See it. Yeah. Okay. We got the 4 Titan 8 lithiums for the back. They're in a D1200 case, but it is a Titan 8 battery. RS5 1200. But we can't just unbox these without unboxing the main battery that's going to be up front. That's what do we got here? Yeah. We got this to replace the AGM battery up front about a month and a half ago or so. It's not ready to be put in yet, but we might as well open her up and show you guys all the lithium that's going into this ride. Look at that, beautiful. All right, what we have here is a Power S5 3400 and 4 S5 1200s. Should get the job done with 2 MechMan 400 amp alternators pushing everything. Now all that's left to do is to go in there and see where these are going to fit into the rack. I don't know if they're going to go under the truck, in the cabin, under the seat. They're a little bit bigger than I thought they were going to be, even though they're really small. They're just a different shape than I thought they'd be, but they're still small enough to fit wherever I need to put them, I think. So I guess just start bringing them over there and see what I'm up against. All right, after doing this on cardboard first, then drawing it, time to see what the first sample will look like. Galvanize is looking good. Took a few tries. Now we're over here doing some .080 aluminum. Aluminum should pop right out of here. .080 aluminum. Piece number 2. It's a little different than piece number 1 because of where it sits inside the vehicle. We got flaps going different directions, going around things. Just gotta bend it up, put it in there, we should be good to go. So those will get bolted in straight through the bracket. Just got to bolt them in right there. Right there, right there, and right there. These things will be done. We can start running the wires. We can start working on the amp rack. So this is just a little something that goes in between the two sets, just to stabilize them a little bit more. The seats themselves are going to help hold everything down as well, so this is not going to go anywhere, but just a little extra support in the middle. Time to pull the AGM out, put the lithium in. I think it's gonna work. It's actually working. I bought this tool and I never used it. Just like everything else, it just seemed like a gimmick. But I wasn't sure how big that bolt was because it's way down in there. So I brought over a few sizes, but I also brought this over. And it worked. This is what was in it, and this is what's going in it. So from AGM to lithium, but check out the difference in weight. £50. So this thing literally weighs 5 times less than that. Let's put it in. The lithium is officially in. We're good. Obviously the system isn't playing yet and the back batteries aren't wired, but let's see the difference in starting between the battery that was in there and the battery that's in here now. It should be kind of dramatic going from AGM to lithium. And I didn't really do it before because I didn't think about it, but you'll just have to take my word for it. That's crazy. I've never heard it start like that before. We're charging really good too. Legit. And back here, got the amp rack and stuff working on, and then we got all this. So one thing at a time. All right, now we got all the lithium done, except for running the wires to the amp rack in the back. Now it's time to jump back to the amp rack again. I have been doing some work. It's just not completed enough to show anybody anything yet, but we did get some stuff done. So stay tuned, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And with that, I'm out of here.